Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your mini love bite. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So Pisces, let's begin. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Pisces gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, as always, an angel blessing card, and then we'll start your reading. So my angels, what do you have for my Pisces gang? Blessing or an advice card for Pisces? This one. All right, let's keep this one aside, Pisces. Put the rest back. So the card I have for you here, Pisces, is healthful. All right, so it's time now to take back power, take back control, and start looking after yourself and be in good health, mentally, emotionally, physically, financially, spiritually, and in love. Okay, time to get back into balance, it seems. So let's see why this card is here for you today, Pisces. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your continued support to the channel. I'm very, very blessed to have you all here today. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Pisces, newbies, this is a mini love bite, just a 9-card spread to check on your energies, to see how you guys are doing, and if there's anything that you may need to know now. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box below where you can reach me. So bottom of my deck, Pisces, I have the 5 of Wands in reverse. It's strange because this is the same exact card, bottom of my deck, that I had for my previous reading as well, which was Cancer. So again, letting go of a conflict or a fight. If you're connected to a Cancer by any chance, then this could be, you go check their reading out as well. 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, wow, and the Wheel of Fortune. 5 of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Strength card. King of Swords, 3 of Wands, and the 9 of Swords in reverse. There was a potential maybe of a happily ever after here, maybe in the past. Somebody didn't take action, somebody was not strong enough maybe to go ahead in that. Somebody then that forced the other person, I think, to make a decision about this connection. I think there was a potential for something really building up for the long haul here. Maybe start a brand new chapter, start a new cycle where things could have really fruitified well. But because somebody did not show their strength in this relationship, Pisces, a choice was made by the other person, I think, who decided, hey, I am going to shut this chapter once and for all if you're not going to make a choice, and let karma deal with the situation. I'm calling judgment on my partner here for not stepping up to the plate, for not giving the commitment, and here it is, the ending. So 6 of Wands, Spirit. 6 of Wands. Whatever ending that has happened here, Pisces, has made somebody feel very ungrounded and very upset. Maybe their partner had a lot of ego and pride. Maybe they were keeping a lot of secrets. All these minus things, which is keeping secrets, being egoistic, being prideful, not making a choice, not doing the right thing, all these have led to a partnership to break. 2 of Cups is in reverse here with the feminine energy, feeling this is the spouse card. Okay, this is the perfect spouse anyone could want. Loving, caring, kind, generous, everything. But this is in reverse right now. Somebody did not show respect to the person the way they should have. And I think this feminine has made a judgment call here to say, I'm shutting this chapter once and for all, and let destiny deal with all this. I'm not going to hang around and be sad and have any more regrets. I'm going to move on my own life now, look after my own health. Okay, I'm going off for a brand new beginning. I'm not interested in crying or suffering for a person where there is no movement. This person has taken no positive movement in my direction or the direction of this relationship, and whatever has happened has totally backfired on me. Right? So, this is the feminine energy, I think, who has dropped this relationship, like leaving somebody out in the cold and leaving somebody feeling totally left out, abandoned. And there has been a huge fight about it as well, from what I can see. The Knight of Swords is in reverse here, and the ending of a fight card was here as well. So, what's this Five of Pentacles, Spirit? Who left who? One partner has left the other one out because this relationship was very unbalanced. They have moved on to have a fresh beginning for themselves. Okay, because the other partner, I think, was not making a decision, not giving the value and respect to their partner the way they should have. So I think somebody has left that partner aside. I think this is the feminine who's left the masculine behind and said, hey, I'm leaving, I'm going off for a fresh new beginning, you're not bringing any balance to my life, so I am not bothering about this anymore. So Knight of Swords, Spirit, Knight of Swords. Somebody is returning from the past, Pisces, to argue with you, fight with you, say, hey, I love you, you are my soulmate. There is a lot of love and passion that this person has, but still this person is coming towards you not in the right way. They're coming more in a very aggressive, competitive way, I would say, where they are not being able to digest the fact that somebody can leave them behind and has moved on. This is going to turn into a fight, yes. Queen of Swords in reverse and the Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay, so either this fight has already happened, Pisces, or you can expect it. The minute you feel it's over and you're going to move on, there's going to be this fight that's going to happen in the midst of both of you feeling you are each other's soulmate, you have a lot of passion for each other, a lot of love for each other, but I think somebody is not fighting or doesn't have the strength to fight for this connection anymore, especially because of the way things have happened in the past, where somebody didn't respect this relationship, did not commit to the relationship, didn't make a choice when the time was right. So, strength, Spirit, strength. This is the feminine energy, still feeling very angry, not wanting to fight for this connection, feeling things are not right, things are not balanced. So that's what the fight is all about. Even though the masculine, I think, is now in the upright and wanting to have clear communication and wanting to return back to their happy place. Okay. So what's going to happen here, Spirit? King of Swords. What does he want to say here? What does this King of Swords want to say? They are feeling a bit restless. They know that if they go towards this feminine with a love offer, straight shot, they'll be rejected. Okay? So now they are strategizing, what is the best way to go back to this feminine? One more. Yes, because they know that they've been a player in the past. The feminine is not going to trust them this time. If they go towards them with a romantic offer, they will probably reject it at the gate, right? So this is what is making this masculine feel very restless. Even though they want to have this clear talk with their feminine now once again. But I think the only way they can come in now is in this mode of creating a fight or something, and hope that the feminine will spill over something which can actually, move this relationship to a better place. Three of Wands. Three of Wands. One more. Somebody is really, really wanting a reunion here, Pisces. They don't want to juggle anymore. They know they have made many, many foolish mistakes, but they are looking for a way back in now. They know the feminine has turned their back on them, and it won't be easy to fool the feminine anymore, but they desperately want to. So, Nine of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Swords in reverse. I think right now there's a lot of planning going on, Pisces. This masculine is still trying to go back and forth in their mind, trying to figure out the best course of action to somehow get to their person, right? There's a lot of rejection being felt, a lot of boredom, a lot of sadness, dejection, because they feel that the feminine is no longer fighting for them anymore, has probably dropped them. Okay, they are really wanting somebody to make a decision in their favor now, okay, because they are not happy without their partner. They are feeling left out, abandoned, and sad. Somebody is desperately wanting now to heal the situation, drop the conflict, and hoping and wishing that somebody here will make a choice to take them back. Okay, so right now they don't know how to come back, Pisces, because they feel if they come to you with a love offer, it's going to be rejected based on their past behavior. So they may be thinking of coming back in a way, blaming the feminine or fighting with her, hoping that this stupid plan, Pisces, or whoever the masculine is, this is not a good plan at all. It's only going to drive this feminine further and further away, because she's already angry, she's already upset. You can't do that, you can't increase that. So let's take one guidance as well. So what should Pisces do? What should this masculine do, Spirit? What is the right way to go back to this person? You have to go in your strength, in your power, okay? You have to be honest, upright, like the emperor, and take back control. You have to go and tell your person that, hey, I'm sorry, I was not able to fulfill any of your wishes, but now even I'm not happy. But now I want to take back charge, I want to take back control, and I'm going to man up now and no longer be, the player that I was maybe. Not only that, not only in words, an emperor is a person who's respected. So you have to be able to show it in action as well before you can expect this Queen of Wands to ever come in the upright and trust you again. Okay? So yes, the health of this relationship is in jeopardy because there has been no equal give and take in this dynamic. There has been somebody who's been very, very selfish here. Okay? So it's whatever has not been just. Same cards. Queen of Wands is in reverse, feeling upset and angry. You have to now, masculine, start from scratch. Okay? And prove that you've changed. So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.